For us, it's always been about the steps that move you to your destination. From early morning wake-ups to mid-morning coffee cups. From sorting through email to checking every last detail. Even the longest journey is made up of single steps. And at Todoist, we believe in every one. We believe in what you're doing. And not just what you're doing. We believe in how you do it and why you do it. Taking steps to make sure you don't miss someone else's. Freeing yourself to see the world. Planning adventures and daily quests, but leaving space for all the rest. A guide to help you while you roam, and a gentle reminder you need to call home. Every step is a tiny triumph worth celebrating, like a day spent with best friends, just being there for a moment shared. Whatever you want to achieve, you can do it. Todoist comes on several platforms and many languages. It's built and run by a growing team of people in 20 countries from all 4 corners of the globe, working towards one goal: to help people achieve their potential. It's a long journey, but we know we'll get there. Because for us, it's always been about the steps.